Singapore is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world due to its beautiful landscape, modern architecture and vibrant culture. However, it is also known to be an expensive city. But don't let that discourage you, because in this video we show you how to explore this amazing city without spending too much. We'll share tips and tricks for finding affordable accommodation, eating delicious food, and visiting must-see destinations. So whether you're a first-time traveler or seasoned adventurer, let's get started. When it comes to accommodation in Singapore, there are plenty of options to choose from even on a budget. The key to finding budget accommodation is to consider location. The closer you are to the city center, the more expensive the accommodation will be. However, if you choose to stay a bit far from the city center, you can save on accommodation and travel costs. Backpacker hostels are one of the most popular options for budget accommodation in Singapore. These hostels offer basic but comfortable rooms, often shared facilities, for a fraction of the cost of a hotel room. Some of the popular backpacker hostels in Singapore include the Pod Capsule Hotel, the Capsule Hotel in the In Crowd. If you are looking for something a little more private, you can also consider budget hotels in Singapore. These hotels offer basic, clean rooms with private bathrooms at affordable prices. Some popular budget hotels in Singapore include Red Doors in Kallang, Marine Parade and Farrer Park. So whether you choose a backpacker hostel or a budget hotel, you can be sure to find comfortable and affordable accommodation in Singapore. Singapore is a foodie's paradise with a wide variety of cuisines from around the world. From hawker centers to street eateries, there is no shortage of delicious and affordable dining options in this city. One of the best ways to save money on food in Singapore is to try street food. Street food is both delicious and cheap, which you can find at hawker centers and food courts throughout the city. Some of the most famous hawker centers in Singapore include Maxwell Food Center, Chinatown Complex Food Center, and Tiong Bahru Market Food Center. When it comes to trying local dishes, there are certain must-try dishes that you can find for an affordable price. For example, you can try the famous Hainanese chicken rice at Tien Tien Hainanese Chicken Rice, or enjoy the taste of chili crab at JBA Meng Kitchen. So, if you are looking to save money on food while enjoying great food, be sure to try the street food and local food in Singapore. And don't forget to bring your own taste. When it comes to places to visit in Singapore, there are many popular tourist attractions to choose from. However, some of these places have high entrance fees that can quickly add up. But don't worry, there are plenty of alternative attractions, free or low cost, that are just as amazing. Let's start with Gardens by the Bay, one of Singapore's must-sees. This beautiful park is located in the heart of the city and is home to an incredibly diverse flora and fauna from all over the world. You can explore the beautiful gardens and take in the breathtaking views without spending a dime. With its towering super trees, cloud forest and flower dome, Gardens by the Bay is an unforgettable experience that will leave you spellbound. If you're looking for stunning city views, Marina Bay Sands is the place to be. This iconic building is a sight to behold, with 3 towers topped by an infinity pool offering sweeping views of the city's skyline. Although there is an extra charge to use the rooftop pool, it is well worth it for the breathtaking views. Plus, you can take in stunning views while relaxing and soaking up the sun, making it the perfect place to spend a lazy afternoon. Another must-see in Singapore is the Merlion, the iconic symbol of the city. This statue representing the head of a lion and the body of a fish is located in Merlion Park and is free to enter. It's a great place to take pictures and is one of the city's most popular tourist attractions. So whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, be sure to stop by and take in the breathtaking views. Finally, Clarke Quay is another must-see in Singapore. This vibrant area is known for its nightlife, fine dining, and shopping opportunities. You can enjoy a delicious meal at one of the many restaurants or dance the night away at one of the many clubs and bars. With a unique blend of history, culture and modernity, Clarke Quay is a destination for everyone. So whether you're visiting popular tourist attractions or exploring budget-friendly alternatives, there's plenty to see and do in Singapore. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned adventurer, you're sure to find something you love in this amazing city. Singapore is a vibrant city with a lot to offer and it doesn't need to break the bank. We talked about how to save on accommodation by choosing budget options like hostels or Airbnb. We also discussed the best street food options, hawker centers and local restaurants for delicious and affordable meals. For places to visit, we've highlighted popular attractions like Gardens by the Bay and Marina Bay Sands, as well as affordable alternatives like Merlion and Clarke Quay. With a little planning and preparation, you can fully enjoy your trip to Singapore without spending too much. Whether you're looking for adventure, culture, or just a good meal, there's something for everyone. So go ahead, try these tips for your own budget trip to Singapore and experience all the city has to offer.